Hi, my name is Anda Roboti. I come from Romania. My previous bachelor studies is in engineering. I graduated applied electronics. I did my bachelor thesis in Germany on the topic research on photovoltaic modules with border sample solar cells. That is one of the reasons for which I decided to apply for the CASO program, because of my interest in photovoltaics and solar cells mostly. And the thing that I like most about the program is obviously the content of the program, since this was also the reason for which I applied here. And I would strongly recommend to anybody that's interested in these things to actually look over the curriculum of the program and apply, because we have really well prepared teachers and awesome labs, and we work with the latest technologies. So definitely you should apply here if you're interested in this. Then my practical experience in this domain, I worked for about 8 months in manufacturing operations and engineering at Borsolar Energy. There I did my first internship during my bachelor studies and my bachelor thesis, and after that I worked in R&D, also at Borsolar Energy, and these were basically the basic blocks that gave me the background and the motivation to apply here. Okay, and for future plans, I would like to either work in R&D further in this domain, or maybe to apply at ESA. That would be really interesting, because I also I'm very interested in optical systems and astronomy and telescopes and things like this. So thank you for your attention.